In this video, I'll show you how to change battery indicator on Redmi phone. So if you want to show or hide the battery percentage or the indicator, then here's how you can change this feature. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to change the battery indicator, you just need to open up the settings app from your Redmi phone, and from the settings homepage, go and tap on this search bar and search for status bar. And once you have searched for a status bar, he'll get you to the last option in status bar, notification and control center. You just need to tap on this one and this will take you to the status bar, and from here you'll get to see the battery indicator. You just need to tap on these and you'll get to see a few different modes. So you can select battery indicator with the percentage, and also if you want you can change the battery indicator with the different percentage right here. And this is how you can change the battery indicator on your Redmi phone. Hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.